We are testing the debit of rescue boat, and then they have three types: the electric, the accumulator, and the manual. So this is for explanation now. Please be ready. Bago ang lahat, may titesting muna kami sa debit of rescue boat.
Mga vlogger, mga YouTuber. Saan naman
Hi guys.
content mo? Hi.
Naka safety gear naman tayo.
Hi vlog.
Guwapo.
Welcome to my guys.
Sige. Parang sama, hawakan mo.
Sige, bira.
And which one?
This is the start and stop button, and this is the charge pressure. So now
Start the
let's
pump.
start.
So ito nga pala yung electrical. So this is the first step, is the electric. Okay, close the door. Where's the remote?
This one,
Inside.
sir. Yes, sir.
Plug in.
Already plug in, sir. So button will be the
Operator.
Driver?
operate.
Huwag baka maputol yung buwan.
Go.
Harap ka dito sa camera.
Sige. Explain.
How to operate the rescue boat.
David.
Leave it. The one is the accumulator.
Electric.
Electric, una.
Okay. First one is the electric, and the
Accumulator.
accumulator number 2, and last one is
Manual pan.
manual operation. Power lang.
Yes sir.
45. Kailangan mo.
Okay, ready na? Timer na? Lights, camera.
Now we have to do timing for the electric.
Hey!
Forty-five. Stop.
Okay na, naka-lap naman.
Start.
Nice.
90.
Okay.
180.
Okay.
Okay.
45.90
Yung lap 1 sir, 45 degrees.
45.
ito sir lap 1. Yang lap 1 sir 45 degrees. 90 yang lap 2 sir. 12.49.
Ah, 12 ba ito?
12.49. Ready? $45.
Yan na mali. Oh, 45. 90. Basta ano lang, pindot lang. Sige lang, testing lang. Nililista namin bawat ikot 180, 45, and 90 degrees. So ang total lahat is 52.2 seconds by electric.
19.
45 12 yung lap 1 sir, 45 degrees.
12 una.
Stop.
Di mali ha, isa lang binuksan doon.
Isa lang doon.
Gagawa ko ng video nito.
Nakahanin na daan.
Yes sir.
Kanina kinga.
Ay, kini siya giana kay paingon dito.
Pero kanina,
Pag papunta dire, pabalik siya. Ito yung control niya. Yan. Bira lang ng bira.
Bira raman eh.
Yung isa bira lang.
Susunod na hakbang ay ang paggamit ng accumulator. Kukuha din kami ng timing, isulat, at ilan ang pwede niyang iikot.
4-5. Nine zero.
Within 200 bars, ang naiwan na lang is 140. So, makabalik pa siya within 180 degrees.
Okay, 140 bars.
140 bars in one sweep.
Chief officer, handsome boy.
Automatic. So,
We have to select this one to normal mode.
okay, upright position. Sure. You have to.
One, two, three, start. Inano mo yung 45 degree? 90.
Napindot mo 45?
20 sir.
Okay. Tingnan mo lang.
Yung 45 dito ha?
20 dito sir.
Yes.
4-5.
Stop.
Sige.
Open yan.
One bulb. First of all, we have to
Huwag doon muna.
First.
Para hindi
If manual operation, it should be
Close.
this
Close that
bulb
one.
number 2.
Okay.
Yes, as you can see, bulb number 2.
Close.
It should be close.
No. Okay. Go ahead.
And bulb number 1, it should be
Close.
close in manual operation.
Yeah, manual.
Okay,
Close.
like that.
All close.
The handle.
Handle by using pump. Pero ito,
It depends upon the man who want to.
ito naman ang mataga. Ay, kuhan pa rin natin to sir eh. If you're using pump, you use this lever alternately. Tama ba yun? Galing kayo doon, Will.
Ready, sir?
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
Bilangin pala yung pump. Bilangin mo lang. 45, palitan na naman ulit.
Sige.
This is the last part of mode by using crane. The first one, the electric, second, the accumulator, and the manual pump.
Marami yan.
7 seconds.
Go.
Kailangan din yan, bilangan eh. Dami na.
Ilang pang pag 45 degrees.
Tama na ito, wala nang ngawit na.
45 na.
Bata yan.
Huwag mo na pindutin. Isang oras na?
1 minute sir.
Sige lang. Go.
5 na sir.
25 na? Ilubid.
Okay na lang. Stop.
45 na sir.
Pero pa. Or it will swing going to forward.
Forward side.
Forward side.
Okay.
We have a explanation here how to use
Operate that one.
operate this lever position
Lever position for going to
swinging to this rescue boat
Okay.
by manually pump. If you have a Pozo Negro in your house, maybe you're expert of this one.
Open position.
Open position. This way.
Go.
First one is you need to press the start, the motor. Then the charge pressure, you need to push this one.
Push. Long press until the pressure will
See the pressure, if the pressure is
going up.
going up.
How much pressure accumulator in the ship?
In this ship, you need the 200 bar,
Exactly 200
exactly
bars.
200 bar for this accumulator.
Teka lang.
Saglit lang.
Saglit lang. Saglit lang.
Kunti na lang, mag 200 na.
Okay. Sandali lang, sir.
Sandali lang.